Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a custom calendar on Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing, you have to make a choice. Would you rather start your design from scratch, or would you choose to use existing templates that would just help spur your creativity and make your work a little faster? Whichever one you choose, if you want to start from scratch, head over to the top right corner, click on create a design. Or if you want to use templates, head over to the search bar and I'm going to show you what exactly to do. So we want to create a custom calendar, right? So just be very sincere with Canva and they're going to give you what you want. So you have a wide array of custom calendar templates, all right, that you can customize. So just note that the designs that are labeled Pro means you cannot access them except you upgrade your plan. So just purchase any of those plans that Canva has for you and you'll be good to go. So here, the ones that are labeled Pro are free. So let's find a free one that we can customize. All right. Okay, this is cool. So just open this up and click here, customize this template, and we're going to truly customize this template. I'm going to spend so much time on that. We're not going to spend so much time on this, but just see you have a calendar right here. So you can customize this. You can change this to any name that you want to change it to. It's Sunday, this is Monday. And how do you change? Just click on it and then double click. So once you double click, then you will now be able to make your changes, right? So just change to whatever you want. So if it, you can make it Sunday, you can make this Monday, you can make that Tuesday. Just want to make that in full, just double click and that'll be it. You can do that for all and change the dates as well. You can just tweak the dates. You can even hold the edges from here and make it a little smaller. So make that a little smaller and then just move it. So what am I doing? I have one finger right on my mouse pad, right? And then I have one finger at the left button of my mouse on my keyboard. So that's it. You can see this is Amy's 2024. So that's customized, right? You can just hold it again and then just make this Amy smaller S and Amy's 2024. That's pretty cool. So if you actually want to change the colors, just click on whatever elements you want to change the colors for, and you have text color. So you can change the color to whatever suits you. All right. So maybe that could look finer. And then you have the ear. So this, you can actually make this smaller. All right. Or you can just get rid of it. So, or you can even add another fanciful element by clicking on this left corner. So click on this element and find something fanciful. So just drag and drop. So I don't know if this is finer, but I think it is. Can even change this one too. I think that look really nice. So just do whatever you want to do. Just drag and drop. Delete anything that doesn't look like what you want, please. Just want to like make this smaller. Don't want it to like fill the screen. So here's pretty much it. So if you want to do any other editing, you can just click on the elements and make use of what you have. This is pretty much how to make a custom calendar in in Canva, right? So you can go over to tutorial top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.